Yes, sir, we promised you a great main event here tonight. Andre of China. WrestleMania!
WrestleMania is running wild.
My God, what a...
Salutations, c'est Illumas, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve aujourd'hui pour une nouvelle vidéo de Storybook et comme vous l'aurez compris, cette fois-ci c'est Hell in a Cell 2019. Storybook c'est quoi? C'est un show de catch que j'écris, que je raconte moi-même, que je monte moi-même aussi à l'aide d'images du jeu et de la vie réelle, voilà tout simplement. Si vous voulez voir les anciens shows qui ont eu lieu avant Hell in a Cell pour bien comprendre cette carte et les rivalités, les résultats sont dans la description. Petit rappel, les shows hebdomadaires seront de retour après Survivor Series. Donc n'hésitez pas à vous abonner, etc. Ça ferait extrêmement plaisir. Et petite précision, les matchs sont encore un peu courts cette fois-ci, mais au moins il y a les musiques et tout, voilà, ça sera moins rushé que la dernière fois. Donc voilà, j'espère que ce show va vous plaire. Bon show à tous.
Top guy time. And you're meeting with the code breaker. Oh, nasty impact. Turn down the lights, kick everybody out. Ring rattling. He's in control. Looking for all the glory here. Looking to steal one there. There's a pin now. No, they're not done yet. Not even close. A throwback like Dawson's way too tough not to kick out. Lightning fast reflexes. Incoming. Man, Wilder is feeling it right there. Boom. Nasty. With the code breaker. Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are. Shoulders on the mat. Yes!
Here are your winners, and still SmackDown Tag Team Dash Wilder and Scott Dawson, the Revival.
Another exciting tag team match in the books.
It's performances like the one we just saw from these guys that makes tag team wrestling so exciting.
Victoire donc, encore une fois, des Revival qui conservent donc leur titre par équipe de SmackDown. Après le match, Bob Ray prend le micro et nous annonce que The Revival ont mis fin aux Dudley Boys car oui, ils ont décidé que s'ils perdaient ce soir, ils n'avaient plus rien à faire à la WWE. Par contre, suite aux multiples attaques répétées et aussi parce que Boba s'est négocié, les managers généraux de SmackDown, Christian et Edge, je rappelle, leur ont accordé une faveur comme un petit cadeau de départ. The Revival vont eux peut-être rester, mais ils n'auront plus de ceinture car ils ont un deuxième match de prévu.
This is gonna be fun.
Legal men are in the ring, and Wilder is a master of getting things back on track and executing his plan to perfection.
While that, the mediocre officiating by the referees. Clothesline. Oh, that'll leave a mark. Power slam. Good night. Beautiful technique.
There he goes.
There have been times as
Oh, what impact. I don't think anyone thought Cesaro and Sheamus would develop it.
it was really unbelievable to witness the evolution of Cesaro and Sheamus as a team. We saw them improve every week and conquer a variety of opponents. To see the Swiss Cyborg and Celtic Warrior go from unwilling partners to WWE Raw Tag Team Champions was truly impressive.
That he doesn't appear to have taken too much offense. A game changer right there, Michael.
Impactful slam.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Lariat.
He does, man. To get back to being a threat.
What impact?
Yeah. Look out!
Fireman's carry. He's making a statement here with this attack. He's looking at it. Nailed it. Barely. Boom, what impact. Tucker Knight is in position. This might be it. Oh, my.
They did it!
Here are your winners and new SmackDown Tag Team and Tucker Knight and Otis Dozovic. Heavy Machinery.
Nice teamwork by these two here tonight. Few things are more rewarding than that feeling of keeping your opponent's shoulders down for the 3 count. Listen to this Detroit crowd. I think they're already ready for the rematch.
Alors après les débuts d'Heavy Machinery et leur grosse victoire, on revoit ce qui s'est passé dans le kick-off, notamment le match qui était prévu, Author of Pain qui sont les champions par équipe de Raw, qui sont accompagnés de Paul Heyman, ont battu les colons qui ont été miraculeusement les challengers mais n'ont pas duré bien longtemps dans ce match. Il faut noter que Kevin Owens et Sami Zayn sont intervenus plusieurs fois mais ça n'a pas suffi pour faire perdre Author of Pain. Big Show, le manager général des catcheurs cruiserweight, apprend à Buddy Murphy qu'il va devoir affronter Braun Strowman ce soir, puisque petit rappel, le géant lui a volé la ceinture cruiserweight.
Oh, WWE Universe! Please sit down, Byron. Please.
Can't help it! I got a goosebump parade running up and down my body! The New Day's here! Get out your selfie sticks, guys!
Is it my eyes when you look at me? They are so gorgeous, they'll set you free. Could it be my walk or just my stare?
Big E loves to have fun, but don't let it switch suddenly.
That's the fun part. These guys are undoubtedly going to give us a show here tonight.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
Oh, clothesline. Float over. And do it. There he goes. What a championship match with a full tank of gas and ready.
It just goes along with the territory, and he knows that. I doubt he's all that.
And they step through, yes. Beautiful technique.
Not this time. It's Big E. I don't think he even realizes it. He looks dazed.
This is about to get bad.
Before Big E that was vicious. I think this going for the big one.
And if he hits this,
Super kick from Breeze.
oh, what a slam that hurt. Oh, nasty.
Look at this.
Nice effort.
Breeze looking to finish this.
This would be huge for Tyler Breeze. Got some of that Boston crowd.
He might just win this thing right here.
There it is. Now, the question is, can Breeze finish?
He's got
Set him up.
Russian leg sweep.
Now,
champion.
They quickly into the cover with the title on the line. 3.
The pinfall and the victory.
Here is your winner, and still the Intercontinental Champion, Tyler Breeze.
Huge victory here in one-on-one action.
There's nothing more pure than picking up a win in a good old-fashioned...
Après avoir conservé son titre intercontinental en attaquant Xavier Woods, ce qui a un peu distrait Biggie. Et donc oui, je parle bien sûr de Tyler Breeze. Tyler Breeze prend le micro après le match sur la scène et dit que Biggie n'arrivera jamais à rien avec le New Day, à part gagner les titres par équipe. Il dit que Biggie est un lâche et n'osera jamais prendre la bonne décision.
Batten down the hatches. Here comes the monster among men.
And his opponent, weighing in at 385 pounds, Braun Strowman.
The WWE Universe is coming. I can't wait.
And man, I never get tired of watching these guys compete.
You know, even though the title is not on the line, this is still an important match for the champion. Hits him with the... It cost him. This thing appears to be slipping away from him in a hurry, guy.
Right across the back of the neck. Oh! Just a step quicker, it looks like. Nice calf kick, great elevation. Oh, what a right hook. Oh, harsh impact. Beautiful.
Expect to take some punishment tonight. You don't.
DDT.
Match quite like this guy.
Beautiful. Harsh impact.
Oh man, what
Et alors que Braun Strowman est à l'extérieur, l'arbitre commence à faire le décompte. Alexa Bliss essaye de garder le géant à l'extérieur en l'embrassant tout simplement. Et du coup, Braun Strowman perd par décompte extérieur.
Maybe no coming back from this. This is not how you... And it's a count-out victory here tonight. Hey, rules are rules. You got to pay attention to the 10 count.
Et après le match, Buddy Murphy parvient à reprendre le titre qui lui avait été volé, donc le titre Cruiserweight. Mais du coup, il laisse son manager tout seul, donc Alexa Bliss, qui elle se fait embrasser par Braun Strowman, qui la relâche assez vite. Et puis, il hurle, comme à son habitude, pendant que Alexa Bliss est assez dégoûtée de ce qui vient de lui arriver. Et après ce petit événement, on va passer au match pour les titres par équipe féminin.
Here comes the Riot Squad!
Oh, here it comes!
This is all but over. This is where all it takes is one. Stunner! Stunner!
A concerned look on the face of...
Here she comes on the counter.
We'll see if she can turn things around.
And she's trying to flip the script here.
Easier said than done, Michael. Belly to belly! I think this is the beginning of the end, Michael.
On arrête tout. Oui, petite pause, puisqu'il va se passer quelque chose, il se passe quelque chose. Eh bien oui, puisque nous avons une intervention de Jasmine Duke et Marina Shafir. Étrange, elles sont pourtant encore à NXT, donc elles attaquent Bayley et Sasha Banks. Du coup, victoire de Sasha Banks et Bayley par disqualification. Mais du coup, Riot Squad conserve leur titre. En coulisses, on peut retrouver un Daniel Bryan qu'on n'avait pas vu depuis un tout petit temps, qui est en train tout simplement de verrouiller une porte d'une loge. Et quand Daniel Bryan s'écarte de la porte, on peut voir que c'est la loge du Miz. Quelles seront les conséquences de cet acte ? Cesaro, le champion hardcore, est déjà sur le ring. Il va défendre sa ceinture comme à chaque pay-per-view et à chaque show de sa brand. Ce soir, il va affronter, non pas Jinder Mahal que vous voyez sur l'image, puisqu'en fait, Jinder Mahal est là. Il arrive sur la scène. et il nous annonce donc qu'il fait son petit retour, sauf qu'il n'est pas la superstar qui a été choisie aléatoirement pour affronter Cesaro. Non, la superstar qui va l'affronter est bien plus grande que lui.
There's going to be anything traditional about this one-on-one matchup.
Oh man, this is going to be great.
Cesaro has to be considered one of the pound-for-pound strongest competitors in WWE.
Yes.
Shoulder tap. Set it up. Nice neck breaker. What a stop. Good grief. Dominating shoulder. This might be it. Oh my, I'm not sure how much he has left.
He's got him covered.
Digging deep. Oh my gosh.
What a strike.
You say, but it's true here. It ain't over. Choke slam. Did you see the height on that one? That's what he was looking for, Michael.
And he got a near.
Reversal. Cesaro showing his prowess. Neutralizer. But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him?
Here's the pin. Title on the line.
3. His title.
Here is your winner, and still the WWE Hardcore Champion, Cesaro!
Big single.
Victoire de Cesaro qui vient de battre le Great Khali qui a fait son grand retour à la WWE. Cependant, il se fait attaquer par Lars Sullivan. Lars Sullivan qui attaque un peu tout le monde ces derniers temps. Mais heureusement pour le Suisse, Seth Rollins et Drew McIntyre s'allient pour se débarrasser du monstre. Les deux sont un peu encore en guerre, mais n'hésitent pas à se débarrasser donc de Lars Sullivan. Je rappelle quand même que les deux avaient été attaqués à SmackDown par le monstre, Lars Sullivan, tandis que Tommaso Ciampa lui avait pris la fuite. On nous rappelle les attaques de Shinsuke Nakamura et Randy Orton sur l'Undertaker et Sting, mais aussi qu'à Survivor Series, nous aurons le fameux Raw vs SmackDown avec une récompense à la clé, mais qu'aussi un nouveau titre sera présenté.
Oh yeah! Come on, guys, raise the roof!
Byron, sit down and shut up.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from the Isle of Samoa, weighing in at 401 pounds, Rikishi.
And here's the big dog.
And his opponent, accompanied by Jey Uso and Jimmy Uso. From Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, Roman Reigns.
Singles action is underway, and in this one, I wouldn't attempt to predict what's going to happen. I'd just be ready for anything. Sometimes that's all you can do.
And man, I never get tired of watching these guys.
Here you go, Kentucky.
What a shot.
Really working over the body. Got every ounce of that one. This could be over.
DDT. Batista. What a spear from the animal.
He's in the driver's seat now.
Reigns has identified the target. Stand by.
Après le match de famille entre Roman Reigns et Rikishi, qui évidemment a perdu très rapidement, Roman Reigns demande aux Usos de porter leur finisher sur leur père, mais ceux-ci refusent et s'apprête à partir. The Club arrive au complet et fonce pour s'attaquer aux Samoans, sauf que les Usos, voilà, c'est décidé, ils quittent le ring avec leur père, laissant seul Roman Reigns sur le ring. The Club s'attaque alors à Roman Reigns à un 3 contre 1. Rikishi revient un peu en boitant avec ses fils pour humilier Roman Reigns en posant ses fesses sur son visage, voilà, rien que ça. Et juste après, Rikishi demande aussi au club de corriger ses fils, ce qu'ils font rapidement sans aller trop loin. Le club célèbre avec Rikishi. Ceci marque donc le festin des Usos. En backstage, nous avons Shelton Benjamin qui a une petite altercation avec Chad Gable. Ils essayent de comprendre qui a vraiment attaqué Kurt Angle à Clash of Champions, je rappelle.
The following contest is a Hell in a Cell match and is for the WWE.
The Big Red Monster. One of the most sadistic superstars ever to step foot in the ring. A true tortured soul.
Remorseless, cold, and absolutely destructive.
A monstrous abomination extracted from your childhood nightmares. Since 1997, few superstars have caused as much havoc.
The Demon is here! And unleashed the Demon.
Get this Hell in a Cell match under. Oh my God, what a forearm!
Right to the jaw. Such fish
One way or another.
This is where Finn Balor's at home.
He mid-dive. And unfortunately for him, there was no water in the pool.
19-16 now. That might be the Kane tonight. You gotta believe this one's over. It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
Oh, nasty impact.
The champion into the cover.
He's a long way.
Ooh, what impact. Victory is on the horizon.
That'll hurt. DDT.
Setting up for a... This might be it. No denying that Balor is the foundation that the Kane, oh boy.
Smoke slam. Straight to hell. He's looking for the win. True testament to grit. What a match. And dished out so far here tonight. He's in full control now. Oh, what's this? Finn Balor is in all kinds of trouble.
Coup de grace.
That's what he was, Michael. Clearly going for it all with a move like that. Finn Balor perched on top. Here it comes. Coup de grace. Gotta like the champ's chances now.
I don't know if Kane can recover. For Finn Balor, the champ, to the top turnbuckle. Oh man, Finn Balor is really feeling the pressure.
Coup de grace. Warm up the bus. Then here's the pin title on the line. 3.
Here's your winner, and still WWE Universal Champion, Finn Balor.
And there's your winner, ladies and gentlemen. Few things are more rewarding than that feeling of keeping your opponent's shoulders down for the 3 count.
Et alors que Finn Balor a conservé le titre universel encore une fois face à Kane, Kane s'apprête à attaquer Finn Balor, hein, mais Aleister Black le surprend d'un Black Mass, donc ce qui empêche cette attaque. Et juste après, étrangement, les lumières s'éteignent et une fois qu'elles se rallument, Kane n'est plus là, il a complètement disparu. Aleister Black et Finn Balor sont assez surpris de ce qui se passe parce que ce n'est pas dans les habitudes de Kane de disparaître de cette manière-là. Mais ils n'y prennent pas plus d'attention que ça. Les deux se fixent et le démon lève le titre devant Aleister Black. Plus tard, nous avons John Cena qui demande à la Sanity de venir l'affronter. Je rappelle qu'ils sont un peu dans une guerre entre John Cena et ce clan de tarés. Sanity arrive et Cena, lui, il hurle dans le micro pour que le Miz vienne, qu'il enclenche leur plan. Enfin, on comprend pas trop ce qui se passe en fait. Sauf que personne ne vient en fait. Donc voilà, je rappelle que le Miz l'avait aidé à SmackDown. Et pendant que Cena hurle et que la Sanity se rapproche de lui, on peut voir à l'écran que le Miz est enfermé. Il essaye d'ouvrir la porte, mais c'est un peu compliqué. Sanity détruisent alors John Cena qui tentera quand même malgré tout de résister.
The Beast!
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 295 pounds, Brock Lesnar.
The Undisputed Era is here. Cole, O'Reilly, and Fish, the most elite superstars in the entire world.
And his opponent, at a combined weight of 602 pounds, Bobby Fish, Kyle O'Reilly, and Adam Cole, the Undisputed Era.
This is it. Handy. Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches. With an F5. Bang. Incredible.
Lesnar looking to fly.
Oh, right to the clothesline. Oh, what impact.
But he's got to capitalize now. Brock Lesnar's just getting overwhelmed.
His shoulders are down. There's the kick out. Super kick.
Now it's Lesnar taking some punishment. But he's not appearing too worse for wear. At least not yet anyway.
In 2017, the WWE Universe saw the immeasurable power of Braun in handicap matches. The monster among men annihilated teams of 2, 3.
Strowman was simply unstoppable. The easiest way to put it is that Braun Strowman doesn't care if he's in the ring.
Almost like witnessing a massacre right in front of our eyes. One of the competitors just sprinted out of the ring. In handicap matches, what would be challenging for another superstar?
A handicap match is the type of match where a superstar or super special is the old sleeping with a harsh impact. He needs to capitalize on it now.
Setting it up. Brain buster.
Wow, I gotta say that I'm in shock. I really thought Lesnar would look better, wearing down the opponent. Wow, I gotta say that I'm in shock. I really thought Lesnar would look better here tonight.
That night on Raw, Roman Reigns was determined to take down Anderson and Gallows. What I found more impressive than taking Anderson and Gallows on was that
the face.
You can't teach the time. You only got one to make your last shot. Lesnar drives him down, but Coley's not finished. No, not at all. Lesnar again with the power. And a third time. Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches. F5. Oh, my. Lesnar back in firm control of it. There's no way I'm going for trouble. That's going to matter. Beautiful schoolboy from behind. There's the pin. It's over. It's all over.
Well, it didn't happen often, but I can attest, being pinned is humiliating.
Listen to this.
Après cette grosse victoire d'Undisputed Era qui ont battu Brock Lesnar, nous avons donc Roderick Strong qui arrive pour féliciter son clan. Petit rappel, il avait été mis hors d'état de nuire par Brock Lesnar. Et donc, après ce match, nous allons passer pour le main event, un Fatal 4-Way pour le titre des femmes de Raw dans un match Hell in a Cell. Shane McMahon reçoit un appel assez étrange puisque Triple H lui informe que Kane est introuvable.
The Irish last kicker.
The following contest is a fatal four-way hell and introducing the challenger from Venice Beach, California, the baddest woman on the planet, Rowdy Ronda Rousey. The challenger from the Queen City, Charlotte Flair. And introducing the champion from Sioux Falls, South Dakota, the Raw Women's Champion, Shayna Baszler.
It's Hell in a Cell time.
Guys, this cell is absolutely gigantic. Just looking at it makes me happy.
Natural selection.
Neck breaker. Ronda Rousey's done Double schoolboy.
Can she end it here? Recalling that first ever women's Hell in a Cell match, I gotta say, the ovation Sasha Banks received
To harsh impact. This is all but over. Had a plan and execute. Beautiful technique. She's in a bad way here, Byron. No counter up.
There it is. That is a game changer. Is it enough to put Becky away?
Oh, stung. Will she win it here? Dug down deep that. Look at the look in her eyes. She's a schoolboy. The champion into the cover.
There's the... You heard the ring announcer. This one's over. And here's your winner.
Look out, women's locker room. This girl.
Shayna Baszler conserve donc sa ceinture et après le match, la cage est levée et Charlotte envoie Ronda Rousey dans une barricade, tandis que Becky Lynch, elle, pour des coups de chaise à Shayna Baszler, la championne.
Retain the title here tonight. Wait a minute. Oh, wow. Miss Money in the Bank is...
Oui, c'est bien Ruby Riott qui est accompagnée de son clan avec bien sûr la mallette du Money in the Bank. Elle se dirige donc vers le ring pour peut-être enfin utiliser sa mallette.
Here. And she's making a beeline for the ring. This is it, fellas. It's going to happen. Cash in. Cash in. The champ looks ready. It's happening. Cash in tonight. Oh, with a stunner.
Elbow drop.
Nailed it.
Champ not looking good right now.
Trapped in the corner. Yeah, here we go. Super kick. Not done yet. Another.
Golly.
A barrage. Oof. Kick finds it.
This could be it, guys. It'll be hard for Shayna Baszler to come back now.
Oh, perfect kick.
We might be like, you can't let him get away with that.
Oh, no, look at this.
She should be ashamed of herself.
Fair. Life's not fair. Oh, get over it.
Raw Women's Champion, Ruby Riott.
Kicking off the night with an impressive victory. If that match is any indication of what to expect here tonight, we are in for an amazing evening.
Plenty more action still to come here tonight, folks.
Et donc voilà les amis, j'espère que ça vous a plu. Ruby Riott enfin championne. N'hésitez pas à laisser un commentaire, à liker, à me suivre sur Twitter et sur YouTube bien sûr. Je vous dis à la prochaine pour les pronostics de Survivor Series. Et Survivor Series évidemment. On se verra peut-être bientôt en live. En tout cas, portez-vous bien. À bientôt, c'était Ilu. Peace.